Hi beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. My name is Sesi Quashie and I'm so glad you're here. So today I'm just going to take you through this eye look. It's really simple, it's really basic. So let's get into this. I start off by using some concealer. This is the LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. The reason why I want to use a concealer before applying your eyeshadow is because it's going to help the eyeshadow to adhere to something. So I just use a concealer that's quite bright to help also brighten up the eyeshadow I'm using. And because I'm using matte shadows in today's tutorial, I want to make sure I'm using a concealer that's really going to help with the eyeshadow application. That's just it. So I just make sure I blend everything to make it uniform and beautiful. And I'm using just these two brushes, one dense and one fluffy brush. I'm using the dark blue on my lid and the two bright blues in my crease and the orange as well in my crease. And what you just want to do is to use the dense brush to just pack the eyeshadow onto the lid. As simple as that. You just want to take the dark blue eyeshadow and pack that onto your eyelid. You don't want to do any other thing but just to pack it. And when I say pack it, like pick it and pack it, don't start with the swipe motion. You need to first pack it onto the lid before you can start doing all the swipe motion, because if you start to swipe, you're going to mess up your concealer work. You don't want that to happen. So first pack, and then you could go after with the front and back sweep motion. And then also I use the light blue in my crease to kind of create that softening effect. I don't want it to be so harsh on my eyelid, so harsh, a dark blue shade on my eyelid. You want to make sure you're having that kind of soft look. And to make sure everything's topped up real soft, I then go in to use the really bright shade I showed you earlier to blend everything, make it uniform, make it beautiful. And pretty much that's just it. You're actually done. Yeah, you're done. Using the Lady Jade eyeliner. This is from Black Secret. If you haven't watched my previous video on the product review, all the products I got from Black Secret, please do watch it. I'm going to leave a link to that video up here. Yeah, that's it. So please do watch that video. And I just like to create that kind of sharp wing eyeliner. I don't like my eyeliner being not sharp, because I think when it's not sharp it can't cut. So you want to make sure your eyeliner is sharp so it could give a good clean cut. And I go back to use a concealer foundation to clean underneath it, just to make sure that yes, it's clean and sharp. Beautiful. Pretty much that's just it. So I use a mascara. This is also from Black Secret. Also in that video I was talking about. Yeah, do watch it. I just use a bit of mascara on my actual lashes. And yeah, I did fix my lash off camera. And I'm using my favorite Focallure highlighter in the inner corners of my eye, just to brighten up the whole look, because the blue can some way somehow be dimming. So you want to bring back that kind of pop of brightness. So I go in to use the Focallure highlighter. You could use any highlighter you have, that's just okay. It still works fine. And that's just it. I did my waterline off camera. I just wanted to look cute once again. But that's just it for this tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do click the subscribe button down below. All the products I use will be in the description bar, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.